speed only, stop only. Your hand, use your hand power to control. See, very difficult to control. I show you. And please don't get too close, no clash.
Okay.
Because clash, they will charge money for repair. And inside very slippery, very bumpy. Be careful your sunglasses, be careful your phone or anything else, be careful of falling. Okay, be careful of falling. And everyone, let me show you first how to do.
Okay.
Okay. Can you come this way,
Oh,
please?
yeah.
Everyone, 2 hand stop.
Okay.
Okay, one more time, 2 hand stop. And this one, speed. You push
Split.
slowly
Oh.
and hold it. One more time, you push slowly and hold it. Okay, don't do like this. No, the engine cannot move.
Okay.
Cannot move.
Warm up engine.
Yeah, and please don't stop and speed together. The engine cannot working. Speed only, stop only. Your hand, use your hand power to control. See, very difficult to control. I show you. And speed and stop. And stop. Your hand need power. Your feet keep on bike. Don't do like this, danger. Just brake. Or you cannot stop, you just turn off. Okay? Don't use someone that try to stop like this.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. So,
จัดต่อเลยจัดต่อเลย
เอาไงดี3 คนนั้น Okay, I think all you guys we can start right now.
Okay.
You sit please and you